Get around and bring it back. You guys are just walking with them.
Okay.
Yeah. Just go and look, come right back in, and then then you're gonna set it up. Oh.
Watch out for the mud.
Yeah, don't go in the mud.
Snow is dry compared to this one.
Nice.
That'd be so fun. I'd love that.
Yeah, he's a horse.
Not a horse.
All right.
Okay, it's pretty easy to pull, right, Miguel? Yeah, when it's empty. But you'll be adding about 300 pounds of weight to 400 pounds of weight if everybody stuffs it.
We don't want it to roll over. I'll be
Okay. Now, when you select your site or where you're going to set your tent up, what do you think would be important to look before you just choose where you're going to set it up at?
Blood puddle.
Make sure we're not in like a giant ditch like we are.
No, you don't want it in where the water's going. So if there's a big rain, the water's going to run right through where you're sleeping.
We're in a giant ditch right now. It's not a good spot.
Okay. Important. What about the ground? You want a bunch of rocks?
No. Yes.
Sticks? Do you want to maybe clean the area before you set it up? Okay. Those are things that you want to give instructions to them. Say, look, we're going to set up, but first clean the area. Okay. Now, another thing I want to give you, you may show up in an area and there may be a bunch of leaves there. You say, well, I don't want the leaves, so you clear the leaves away. But if you do that, guess what else you're going to get? You're now going to have your tarp sitting on the dirt.
So keep the leaves there.
The leaves might be a good thing because they'll dust off easier than dirt and mud. Okay, and then if you start laying it together, next thing you know, when you spread it out, now your bedding's going to be laying on the mud.
Well, and the leaves are like padded.
Right.
Now, if there's snow on the ground,
You leave it. No.
Okay.
You take away most of it.
take the snow away.
Okay. All right, we're ready to see.
The top one is for no, the top one is for like the ground.
Okay, so just set it to the side. There you go. Okay, ready to go.
Is there going to be a rate provided?
Is that the one on the top or the bottom?
I don't know. We're providing children.
Yeah, it's called Olivia Bucket.
You're going to help build stuff.
Bring it up to the top together.
And I will help.
You want to make sure you you got to tie it together around the top.
Oh, he's blocking the screen. No one. Tie it together.
There should be, you guys want to make sure that the tarps are the same length on each side of the pulpit. So if you use the tarp,
Close enough.
just pull it tight. Grab them together, just pull it tight. So you make sure, and then the glue itself is in the center. Okay, and then tie it together around the whole.
Those holes don't run out.
Hang up, you guys.
Could be just flipped over.
You think it's flipped over? Yeah. Are they flipped over?